what's his name? Living Art, Sri Sri, something like that. The fart of living, something like that. I can't remember exactly. It's so popular. Why so popular? It's just nonsense. There's no coherent teaching or philosophy. I saw once in some magazine, there was an interview, they asked him, what is your aim? He said, my aim is to put a smile on everyone's face. Nonsense. Yeah. What does that mean? His aim is to make everyone happy in this material world. But a sadhu is supposed to tell people there is no happiness in this material world. Tapo divyam putraka yena satvang shuddhyad yasmat brahma sokyam tu anantam. He's supposed to tell them to accept the austerities by which one can become purified and attain actual eternal transcendental bliss. But he's cheating them. It is so, if anyone has even a slightly awakened intelligence, they can understand that these people are cheating others. So how do they become so popular? Well, I guess people want to be cheated. These so-called gurus, they fulfill some need in people's lives to feel loved or to have some good feeling in their hearts or whatever. Some feeling, I'm very spiritual. They take advantage. These cheaters, they take advantage of people's sentiments and cheat them in the name of religion. And people must want to be cheated. Otherwise, how could you be sucked in by people like that? The people are suckers. They get sucked in. Otherwise, how could you accept such bogus people as being actually spiritual people? They're not giving any spiritual knowledge. They don't teach Bhagavad Gita as it is, or just something, whatever comes out of their mouth at the time. And they cut a profile. You have a beard and you smile. But there's no real knowledge there. There's no knowledge from Shastra. Shabde parecha nishnatam brahmanyu pashamashrayam. The symptoms of a guru is that he should be completely immersed in the teachings of Shastra and has fully taken shelter of the Supreme Personality of Godhead by the system of guru-disciple succession.